Hello everyone. In this session, we will discuss least squares approximation. Least square approximation. So, there are possibility that we have a linear system where the number of unknowns is less than the number of equations given. So, let's say for a linear system with more number of equations than the number of unknowns, then these systems generally don't have any solution, don't have a solution. So in this case, for no solution, we may take certain points or certain vectors which is like the most closest if the possible solution was there. So in this case, it is about the least square approximation is a solution to such linear system where one gets as close as possible to an actual solution. So for such no solutions linear system, now that we cannot have the solution, what we can try is we can get as close as possible to anything which could have been a solution to such linear system. So in this case, if we say E, which is known as to be error, as b minus ax. What is b minus ax? We have seen the linear system as ax is equal to b so far, right? So if we have a solution for such equations, we know that ax equal to b will be satisfied. So this E, which is given as b minus ax or a minus bx, is anything okay, b minus ax will be 0 if we have solution, or if solution exists, right? If we are having x as a solution, then b minus ax is going to be 0. But if we don't have solution, in cases we don't have solutions, if the system is inconsistent, then we can try to minimize this E, or I'll say this error. So basically the x which brings the least error is the least square solution. Yes. Now since the error cannot be 0 because it can be 0 only if we have a solution and we are at that vector. So in case we cannot make it 0, at least we can try to make it minimum, and that is what we have to do it here. So that x cap or x vector will be the one which will bring the least error, and that is what we call it to be least square solution. So it minimizes the normal distance, right? So let's say for this system Ax is equal to B, what we can do is we can multiply A transpose on both the sides and taking this A transpose A is equal to K, X is what we are looking for, let's say X cap, given as F. So this K is A transpose A and this F is A transpose B. So this is what we have as a normal equation. This is our normal equation. This is normal equation. So we can solve this, and we can solve this by Gauss elimination also, and we can find what is x. This least square error is given by the, let's write it, x cap minus b square. And in particular, if A is square, so if A is a square matrix, this x can be directly found as A inverse into B. We can directly apply this and find the x vector, which is the least square solution for this case, right? So now we can see some questions on this.